I am John Ryals Jr., Probation Review Team Member for the Jefferson Parish Department of Juvenile Services, talking to you about the Probation System Review. The Probation System Review is a comprehensive juvenile probation management and practice improvement process that provided our stakeholders with opportunities to engage in system-wide probation reform. With technical assistance from the Robert F. Kennedy National Resource Center for Juvenile Justice and the MacArthur Foundation's Models for Change initiative, our county-based juvenile probation department wanted to build upon its previous success with Models for Change to improve probation practices. The goal was ultimately to make the Jefferson Parish Department of Juvenile Services a model juvenile probation department. Prior to the Probation Review Initiative, probation activities operated in a similar way for over 30 years. High caseloads, low probation officer morale, antiquated case processing, mediocre stakeholder relationships, and an incongruous management structure. The Probation Review began with a thorough system-wide assessment process that led to 70 recommendations, which we adopted in a structured work plan. As our reform activities progressed, periodic Probation Review Team meetings kept activities on track and were guided by our enhanced data collection and outcome measurement. Key targets for improvement in our department were screening and assessment practices, probation officer working conditions, graduated responses, management practices, and interagency relationships, to mention a few. Among several tangible outcomes our department achieved over a 4-year period, we realized a 92% increase in youth referred for an evidence-based practice, a 23% reduction of mental health evaluation costs, a 37% decline in youth on probation, and a year-over-year reduction of recidivism from 53 to 20%. Our evaluation even included a study of probation officer salaries across jurisdictions during this review. As a result, we also secured a 14% increase in probation officer pay. Our report, entitled Probation Review Implementation: How Best Practices Meet Everyday Practices, can be found on the Robert F. Kennedy National Resource Center for Juvenile Justice website.